Are you dealing with some leg or hip pain? Maybe you need to strengthen your hamstrings. Your hamstrings are on the backs of your thighs. They start at the bottom of your pelvis and they insert in the back. I think even on the sides of your knees. So sometimes we're dealing with hip and leg or even low back pain, pelvic pain. Sometimes it can be related to our hamstrings. So here's a way that you can strengthen your hamstrings. All you need is a ball of some sort, maybe a tennis ball. This is called a pinky ball, and a wall. So come on over to the wall. Stand so that you're, comfortably able to place your hands on the wall. And then take your tennis ball or pinky ball and place it behind one knee. And hold on to that ball. And then we're going to lift and lower that bent leg. Doesn't take long before you're going to feel some tension in the back of that leg, the top part of the leg. There's your contracting of your hamstrings and give you an opportunity to strengthen. It's a nice knee-friendly way to strengthen your hamstrings. And of course, then you would want to go ahead and do this on side too. I hope you'll give this a try and let me know if you get some pain relief by strengthening your hamstrings.